Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 passive income ideas nobody talks about, but actually work. Everyone talks about passive income. Dropshipping, crypto, affiliate marketing. But here's the truth. Most of what you hear online either doesn't work anymore or takes way more time, money, and luck than people admit. And that's why so many people try and quietly fail. Because they're chasing crowded ideas, overhyped strategies, short-term trends. But real passive income, it's quieter than that, less flashy, less talked about, but far more reliable. Today, I'm going to show you 10 passive income ideas that most people overlook. They're not sexy, they're not viral, but they work. And if you stick with even one of them, it can change your financial life. Before we start, understand this. Passive income is never truly passive at the beginning. It requires effort up front, consistency, patience. But once it's built, it keeps paying you again and again and again. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Digital asset rentals. Most people think about renting physical things, cars, houses, equipment. But digital assets, almost nobody talks about this. You can create simple digital tools, templates, Notion dashboards, spreadsheets, resume kits, design assets, and then rent or license them, not just sell once, but charge recurring access. For example, businesses will pay monthly for tools that save them time. Students will pay for structured templates. Creators will pay for systems that make their work easier. Build once, refine it, and let it pay you repeatedly. Rule number 2. Niche data products. Data is one of the most valuable things online. But you don't need to be a data scientist. You just need to organize information better than others. Curate lists of job opportunities, local business leads, industry contacts, market research summaries, package it, update it, charge for access, because people don't pay for information. They pay for clarity. And if you can save someone hours, they'll gladly pay you for it. Rule number 3. Micro SaaS tools. You don't need to build the next big app. You don't need a massive startup. Simple tools solve real problems. A small automation, a niche calculator, a content generator, a scheduling helper. These are called micro SaaS, small software built for a very specific audience. And the beauty, people pay monthly, even if it's just a few dollars. Scale it across users, and it compounds quietly, predictably. Rule number 4. Print on demand for niches. Most people fail at print on demand because they go too broad. Generic designs, oversaturated markets, but niche works. Very specific audiences, inside jokes, communities, professions, design for them, speak their language, solve their identity, and suddenly, what didn't work before starts working. Because relevance beats volume. Rule number 5. Licensing your work. If you create anything, music, photos, videos, graphics, you don't just have to sell it once, you can license it. Companies need content constantly. Ads, websites, social media. Upload your work to licensing platforms or reach out directly. One piece of content can generate income multiple times without additional effort. Rule number 6. Automated content channels. Content doesn't have to show your face. It doesn't even have to use your voice. Faceless channels are growing faster than ever. Short videos, compilation content, educational clips, use systems, batch content, automate publishing, monetize through ads or digital products. Once the system runs, your content works for you, even when you're offline. Rule number 7. Local lead generation. This one is underrated. You create simple websites for local services, plumbing, cleaning, landscaping, then generate leads and sell those leads to businesses. They get customers, you get paid, and once the site ranks, it keeps producing with minimal maintenance. It's simple but powerful. Rule number 8. Digital course licensing. Instead of selling courses one by one, license them. Sell your course to schools, companies, organizations. They pay for access for groups, not individuals, which means one deal can equal hundreds of customers, less selling, more leverage. Rule number 9. Subscription communities. People don't just pay for content, they pay for connection. Create a small, focused community. Help people solve one problem. Keep it simple. Keep it valuable. Charge monthly and focus on retention, not growth. Because a small group that stays is more powerful than a large group that leaves. Rule number 10. Buying existing income streams. This is the one nobody talks about enough. You don't always have to build from scratch. You can buy websites, newsletters, small businesses, digital products already making money. Then improve them, optimize them, grow them. Instead of starting at zero, you start with momentum, and that changes everything. Passive income is not about chasing trends. It's about building systems, assets, things that work, even when you don't. And most people miss this because they're looking for fast, for easy, for viral. But the real opportunities, they're quiet. They require patience. They require consistency, but they last. So don't try everything. Pick one, commit to it, build it properly, and give it time. Because once it starts working, it doesn't just pay you once, it keeps paying you over and over again. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.